Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're in Venice in Italy. Venice is either as expensive or inexpensive as you want it to be. You can do Venice on a budget. The best way of getting from Treviso Airport to Venice is to use the ATVO Express coach. I will put a link below so that you can see what app to use, and you can buy your tickets online, by the airport, or even on the airline. So as you exit the airport, look to your left and you will see there's a notice, and it will give you the timetable of the bus. So we're looking at 16:25 to the Plaza Roma. That's where we need to be, and it is stop number 1. So as you come out of the terminal building, you need to validate your ticket from this guy with the stand. There's a little keyless where you put your barcode on there, and then the bus is already waiting for us. It's the ATVO Express coach, which will take us to Venice. Pre-booked the tickets online via the app, and they were €20 return each. Bargain. So the bus drops you at the Piazza Roma in Venice. It's very, very easy. It's about a 40-minute ride, and when you want to go back to the airport, just check your timetable and the bus will pick you up from exactly the same place. It was a warm night last night. We eventually got the air conditioning working, which was a refreshing relief. So now we're going out for breakfast, then we're going to go down to St Mark's Square, which will be great. So just looking for a little bit of breakfast, and you'll eventually come across little coffee shops, little bakeries, which look a little like this. Just little bakeries as you're walking down the street. Let's go inside, have a look. So in here you'll get croissant, coffee, whatever you need, even later on a beer, maybe. Go and see San Marco Piazza, go and see the Rialto Bridge. But what I found best to do in Venice is just go on the back streets, explore and lose yourself. Every place you turn, every corner you turn, there's something new. Look at this. Down some of these back streets, there are little bistros where you can have croissant, coffee, just €2 or €3. Venice isn't what people think. It's not expensive. It's only expensive if you want it to be. And on most street corners you'll see these little bars. Just call in and have a drink. Also, you'll find in these places an array of Italian tapas, and we have tomato mozzarella through to gorgonzola, cold meats, meatballs and fish. We have tomato mozzarella, gorgonzola, salt cod and meatballs. So Meryl is going to first try the tomato mozzarella bruschetta. Is that good? How to keep a lady happy. Very nice. Nice. And the salt cod, it's a little bit like fish finger and mayonnaise. So you may be wondering what fell down off the top of my head when I did it, when spritz glass of top. It's either a Campari or these are traditional. So you may be wondering what I'm drinking. So these are the traditional drinks which you have on a spritzer. Campari, Aperol and Pillar. The Pillar is very nice. So we're getting a bit tipsy on these Tizers.